Here we are in the VIP centerline berth, which in most yachts of this size would be considered the master stateroom. Lots of opening windows, lots of light. We've got the Mowabi interior here, walk-in closet, large bathroom, stall shower, full beam. So really your guests are going to feel like kings and queens. As we walk forward, there are two side-by-side staterooms with twin berths that fill in to make queens. Lots of headroom, lots of light, and then its own bathroom with stall shower. Give us a call, Bayport Yachts, your leading prestige dealer located on the west coast of the United States.